What's going on, everyone? This is an unboxing of the Zoom UAC-2. I bought this unit from Sweetwater. So here's the front of the box, and then behind the box, top of the box, and then side, under the device, and then side again. Okay. So here's the unit itself, and then the USB 3 cable, and then the documentation. So this is a USB-B 3.0 to USB-A, and then here's the front of the device, and then the rear. So this is bus powered, but you can also buy an optional power supply if you're gonna connect it to an iPad. Can't wait to try this out. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Zoom UAC-2.